हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू फार्मा जॉब अलर्ट यूट्यूब चैनल। आज का वीडियो विएट्रिस फार्मास्यूटिकल्स। You can see opening sir, officer, injection, manufacturing. Coming to the qualification and education and experience. Qualification is M Pharma, B Pharma, MSc, BSc. Must to have 1 to 6 years of in relative experience in injection manufacturing of regulated pharma company. Immediate joiners will be given first preference and location is Ahmedabad. If you want to share the resume, then please mention in subject CV for injectable and send resume on mentioned email ID. These are details regarding opening. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. For job updates, subscribe to YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. Thank you.